Madam, I'm waiting since 10 minutes.
Bhaiya, 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm coming. Just wait.
Ma'am, it's been 15 minutes already. How long
Bhaiya,
will
just
you take?
wait. Just coming. Just one second. 1 second only. Just. Hello.
Yes, Mama. Which account shall we send money to?
Account? Which money? I didn't ask for any money.
Only ask for on WhatsApp. Huh?
No.
Check your WhatsApp.
Okay. I'm checking.
What you saw is the new scam in India that's attacking a lot of people, especially our elders. It can also happen to you and your parents as well. It's called the WhatsApp hijacking scam, and it has already cheated many of their earnings and has caused immense distress. WhatsApp has become the lifeline of our digital existence. It's not just an app, it's our go-to platform for staying connected, sharing life's moments, and even conducting business. So what is this scam really? How does it work? And how can you save yourself and your parents from it? Let's break it down. Picture this. It's a busy day for your mother. She's getting ready for work, and then she receives a message on WhatsApp that appears to be from one of her friends. The message asks her for an OTP that her friend mistakenly sent on your mother's number. She was distracted. She was in a hurry to leave, but the message seemed urgent, and she didn't take time to verify who was actually sending it, and she shared the OTP. Now here's the mistake she made. While the text seemed authentic, she didn't double check by either asking some questions or by calling that person. Now the moment she shares the OTP to her friend, who is actually the scammer, she loses access to her WhatsApp account, because the OTP does two things. It allows the scammer to log into her WhatsApp account on another device and logs her out of WhatsApp on her own device. So when she opens her WhatsApp again, she would see a screen like this, losing access to her WhatsApp account and chats. Losing access to a WhatsApp account is nothing short of a digital nightmare, because what happens next is insane and even more dangerous. The scammer now has access to your mother's WhatsApp account and starts texting her contacts asking for money and other sensitive information that is not meant to be shared with someone. The scammer also then begins the cycle of asking for OTPs from your mother's friends and hijacks their WhatsApp accounts too, creating a chain. But why would your mother's contacts fall for these messages? It's because of several psychological factors that scammers exploit. See, when the scammer texts the contacts, the message appears to come from an account that has your mom's name and phone number, the same profile picture that they're used to seeing, and an existing chat history, which serves as a form of social proof. Our brain quickly processes these visual cues, doesn't trigger our unusual alarm bell, and concludes, this is someone I know and trust. And we see that what we expect to see, a message from a loved one, and overlook the potential red flags. When we get a message from a contact we know, our guard is naturally lowered, isn't it? And by framing the request as urgent, scammers create a sense of time pressure. This urgency can override our normal cautious approach, pushing us to act quickly without thorough verification. In our increasingly digital world, we've become accustomed to conducting very important work via messaging apps. We share scanned documents and sometimes even share passwords. This normalization of digital communication makes unusual requests seem less suspicious than they might have been in the past. Scammers are keenly aware of these psychological tendencies. They craft their approach to bypass our usual skepticism, relying on our quick trust in the familiar and our desire to help loved ones in need. India has the highest number of WhatsApp users globally, and this makes it a lucrative market for scammers to target. While WhatsApp is a secure communication platform with end-to-end encryption, scammers can always find ways to break into your account. So how do you save yourself or your parents from this? 1. This kind of attack is only possible if you interact with the scammer, especially when we respond to their messages asking for the verification code or OTP. If you receive a suspicious request, then take a moment to verify through another method, like calling them back to check. 2. Never share OTPs. Even if the request seems to come from family or friends, be completely sure of it. 3. Be cautious of urgent requests, especially those involving codes or money. 4. If you receive unrequested emails to reset your two-step verification PIN or the registration code, don't click on any links. This means someone is attempting to access your phone number on WhatsApp. But what if someone has already been trapped? What can they do? If your WhatsApp account has been hijacked by someone, or if you have been logged out of your account, your first step should be recovery. Open WhatsApp on your phone and see if you have the option to log back in. If you do, simply follow the instructions, which could either be about an email or an OTP. However, it won't be easy most of the times because scammers play tricks here as well. They change your recovery email so that you are prevented from even recovering your account back again. So if you see an unknown email that you've never added, then take the following actions quickly. Reach out to WhatsApp for help. On mobile, click on the 3 dots, mention your issue, upload the screenshots you have as evidence. On desktop, go to WhatsApp Messenger help. You will need to give them your phone number, an email ID you have access to, and your phone type, which is Android or iPhone. Mention your problem statement clearly. My account has been hijacked, I need immediate help. Then, WhatsApp should email you back within 24 to 48 hours with recovery steps. Once you follow these steps, you should have your account back. Next, you must inform the cybercrime department. You can either call the National Cybercrime Helpline number 1930, go to cybercrime.gov.in and report the issue, or even go to the nearest cybercrime branch in your area. Give them the required screenshots, emails, phone numbers, and other such important evidence. It's absolutely necessary for them to have this so they can take the steps they need. Next, always, and again, always turn on two-step verification on WhatsApp. This is an added layer of protection for you because when this feature is enabled, any attempt to verify your phone number on WhatsApp must be accompanied by the 6-digit PIN that only you, and again let me repeat, only you know. This significantly decreases the chances of your account being hijacked. But a word of caution here. This can also fail if scammers manipulate you into sharing this 6-digit verification code as well. Our intention isn't to scare you. It is to make you aware. Scammers continuously evolve their methods to exploit vulnerabilities and scam unsuspecting victims. Staying alert and taking a moment to think before acting can protect you and your loved ones from becoming the victim of such scams. To know more about the scams targeting us and our elders, follow Saksham Senior on X and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel.